couldn't have said that without a message from God. And if it was a message from God, then it had to be fulfilled.
And the question that I want to ask is,
based on this false information? No, that's please. Yes.
ولا تشرك وردنا إلى ساعة الصباح. هذا أخي مفهوم الإسلام حدثا مفهوم الله وقال أفتني معه وأنزلت الخطاب في هذا الرجل لكي يكون رسول الإسلام and they said
Tisuna najatan or najatun. You said najatun. Najatan होना चाहिए क्यों? नाजतन है और रात के लिहाज से नाजतन भी होना चाहिए कानूनी इज्जत के लिहाज से देख लो चेक करना आई वांट है नाजतन चाहिए ना नाजतन है वहाँ अब देख लेते हैं हमारे सब खड़े होकर देखें मैं बैठा हूँ यस प्लीज कंटिन्यू हाँ हाँ Li najatan, that's not possible again. Li najatun होना चाहिए. हाँ पहली जगह नाजतन चाहिए दूसरी जगह नाजतुन चाहिए. हाँ हाँ now this is correct. You have reversed the positions. You said tisuna najatun. And li najatan, you said that. This is exactly opposite. According to the law of Arabic number, tisu wa tisuna najatan is the correct expression. Not beyond 10, this becomes mansoob. So, you understand? Not tisun, tisun. और इन्ना है पहले से खबरें lahu tisum wa tisumna najatan lahu tisum wa tisumna najatan wali najatun wahida right now that's right पूरा पढ़ लेना से आयत वो देवे मुझे पढ़ I'll do it yes now what is the question you just come to the question now please No, inshallah, we'll get it. Huh? The Quran is there too. The same Quran. Yes. Huh? We have also got another copy of the same Quran. Yes, please. So what is the question?
The question is that this brother of mine has 99 land valuation and I got one. And she has
so that the number is completed.
And he gave me arguments and he dominated on me that he is right. And please get to see him. Then the other said,
yes, now I've got it before me. Please, so what? وأذن في الخطاب. Yes. No. قال لقد ظلمك بسؤال ناجتك إلى معاجه. Yes. وإن كثير من الخلطاء لا يبغي بعضهم على بعض إلا الذين آمنوا بالصلاة. That's right. وظن داود أن ما فتناه. Yes. فاستغفر ربه وخر راكعا وأناب. Now you should say sajda, all of us. You are led into a verse, when it is read we should perform sajda. So first perform sajda, then after. This sajda is not badmat. And no direction is necessary either for this sajda. Wherever you, in whichever state, you can say sajda there.
If different line from us have asked this question of
Done?
the different line of us and we asked the environment in house and whatever the environment in house and asked the one item. We asked me this, what the meaning of this? I said to that only one machine cannot survive unless in the company. The whole life today is the same driver, she wants to get food but in the company. And then he asked me, this also means this man got 99 million and I got one. And he asked me to give it to him. It is the same man.
This is not correct. That version is a concoction of certain Maulvis. Well, I shouldn't say certain Maulvis, it's concoction of some earlier scholars among the Jews. And that have infiltrated into Islam somehow, unfortunately. They say, what they say is, that this was brought to the notice of Hazrat Dawood alayhi salatu wasalam because he had 99 wives and he was trying to forcibly acquire one of the wives of his general, wife of one of his generals. And Allah reprimanded him, Allah admonished him not to do this by creating this incident. And when these two people, quarreling men, jumped into his castle and presented this case to him, then he prostrated before God and sought his forgiveness. That is what the verse says. From this they believe that this must have been correct, that Hazrat Dawood himself had 99 wives, so a similar incident was created. Now, obviously the whole episode is a kashf, because it's impossible for the palace of Hazrat Dawood to have been penetrated like this. And the two warring or quarreling men, how could they jump over the walls of the palace and risk their lives and just enter Hazrat Dawood's chamber and ask him such question? What happened was, according to me, Hazrat Dawood alayhi salatu wasalam was shown this vision by God. And when after they disappeared, he suddenly realized that no man could have walked in and asked this. He immediately understood that it was a message of God for him to rule the state under these principles, that no party should be permitted to exploit on the basis of his wealth against the poor people of the state. This was the message. Why he sought forgiveness was this, because he was the head of the state and ultimately he was responsible for all that was happening in the state. So it was admonishment from God. It was an admonishment from God to him that you are shutting your eyes to certain things which are happening in your state. And this is the extent of cruelty being committed against certain poor people by certain richer people. They are going on expending their wealth at the cost of poor people, and they overwhelm them. There is no way out. So that is why he went into prostration and sought Allah's forgiveness. Not Na'udzubillah min zalik that he had 99 wives, and this is just a story concocted by corrupt minds. It has no truth in it.
The meaning statement for man at that time was, which I gave him, I don't know how far I'm right, that they don't mean the wife. It means that he had a school as one woman cannot take a very well unless he is in a school of one place. I said he had a woman and a school.
Also very, very interesting. It's a very interesting flight of your imagination.